Good morning. The 10 Commandments of Commercial Real Estate Investing. Well, commercial real estate or CRE investing isn't luck, it's discipline. The most successful investors follow timeless principles that protect them in bad markets and position them for massive upside in good ones. And I think we're here. So, here are the 10 Commandments of Commercial Real Estate Investing, a blueprint for business owners, developers, and investors and as well as 1031 buyers who want to build wealth with clarity and confidence. Number one, thou shalt know thy market. So CRE is hyperlocal. Cap rates, tenant demand, and absorption shift block by block, especially in fast growing areas like Katy, Fulshear, and West Houston. So the point here is do your homework, check out population growth, job expansion, traffic patterns, and your competitor supply. Invest where demand is rising, not where you hope it will rise. Two, thou shalt not buy, thou shalt buy for cash flow, not hype. Speculation is not a CRE strategy. Long term wealth is built through stable tenants, strong leases, and predictable NOI. So if the deal only works assuming massive appreciation, it's probably not a deal and it's a gamble. Three, thou shalt analyze the tenant, not just the property. So your tenants are your asset. And here's some key things you might want to evaluate their operating history, their business model, industry volatility, as well as their lease guarantees. A great building with a weak tenant becomes a bad investment overnight. Number four, thou shalt stress test every deal. So think interest rates, cap rates, and vacancy can all move against you. So here's some questions to ask. What if rates rise, 100 basis points, 1 full point? What if vacancy increases? And what if TI costs blow up to get new tenants into the building? Now, if the deal only works in perfect conditions, it might be best to walk away. Number five, thou shalt respect location above all else. So location is going to determine the following: your traffic, your tenant mix, your lease rates, and also your exit value, because they're all tied together. So in CRE, location is destiny. Chase the fundamentals, not bargain pricing. Number six, thou shalt understand thy lease. The lease determines the value of the property, especially when dealing with triple net assets. So here are some key thoughts to review: your annual rent increases, your landlord versus your tenant responsibilities, your renewal options, and your CAM reconciliation to make sure you're recouping your expenses. Now, a strong lease is worth more than new paint is, so keep that in mind. Number seven is thou shalt finance wisely. Your loan is part of your investment. Choose the loans type based on your strategy. So if you're thinking a long-term hold, the DSCR, a life company, or an agency might be your best options. For stabilization play, you're thinking about bridge to get the asset acquired. And for owner users, SBA 504 or 7A. Financing is a weapon, but only when used correctly. Number eight, thou shalt not over leverage. More leverage equals more risk. Markets can turn quickly, especially in shifting rate cycles. So a healthy leverage gives you safer cash flow, lower DSCR pressure, and better refinance options, and in turn, more exit flexibility. So protect your downsides first. Protect your six. Check your six. Number nine, thou shalt use professional advisors. Your team is your moat. Your broker, your lender, your attorney, your CPA, your property manager, your contractors. All of them matter. One mistake in your underwriting can cost more than hiring the right people. So make sure you have the right people giving you the right advice. And 10, thou shalt think long term. So CRE is going to reward patience, and the best investors are going to hold through cycles and refinance strategically and improve their operations. And you have to add value over time. So when others chase quick wins, you're building long lasting wealth. So here's the conclusion: these commandments aren't theory. They are the rules elite investors follow religiously. And if you want to buy, sell, or finance commercial real estate in Katy, Fulshear, or West Houston, following these principles will keep you safe, keep you profitable, and ahead of the market. And that, my friends, is it for the day. Visit my website, houstonrealestatebrokerage.com. There are a lot of free tools, and you can schedule a consultation and chat more with me about a specific project. Have a good day.